Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron clothes. First, let's get your ironing station ready. Make sure your ironing board is stable and at a good height for you. Always check the care label on your clothes to find the right temperature setting for your iron. If your iron uses steam, fill it with distilled water. It's also a good idea to sort your clothes by fabric type, starting with those that need the coolest iron setting. Different fabrics need different care. For cotton and linen, iron them while they are slightly damp, using a high heat setting and plenty of steam. For synthetic fabrics like polyester, silk, or rayon, use a low to medium heat and often iron them inside out. Always use a pressing cloth for delicate items, such as silk or lace, to protect them from direct heat. Remember to avoid ironing directly over embellishments like sequins or beads. To effectively remove wrinkles, lay your garment flat on the ironing board and work in sections, starting with collars or cuffs. Use smooth, straight strokes, moving the iron continuously to prevent scorching. If you encounter stubborn wrinkles, use your iron steam function or lightly mist the fabric with water from a spray bottle. For sharp creases, iron the inside of the fabric first, then the outside. Safety is paramount when ironing. Never leave a hot iron unattended, even for a short time, as it can cause burns or fires. Always unplug the iron right after you finish and let it cool down completely before putting it away. Keep the electrical cord clear of the hot sole plate and out of reach of children or pets. Finally, hang your freshly ironed clothes immediately to maintain their crisp, wrinkle-free appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.